Hi, welcome to Linkbird. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of how to set up your LinkedIn automation end to end. So once you sign up, you'll land on this screen. First step is to connect your LinkedIn account. Just enter your email ID and password. And click on Connect LinkedIn. And you're all set. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, just enter the code and you're good to go. And don't worry, this method is completely safe. Unlike other tools on the market, you won't risk getting blocked by LinkedIn. Now, let's click on Create Campaign. You'll see there are multiple ways to import leads. You can upload a CSV file, add a LinkedIn URL search, use our inbuilt lead finder, or search directly from Sales Navigator. For this demo, I'm going to use the LinkedIn URL search to import leads. So I'm going to paste this LinkedIn URL. This is for a wellness company, and I'll adjust the number of leads that I want to import. Let's keep it at 50. Just hit fetch leads and the leads will start coming in. Great. So once the leads are imported, you can deselect any people that don't fit your search criteria. So let's see. Finance manager is not someone I want to reach out to. People leader, no. So yeah, basically like this, you can deselect or alter the search URL. Once you're done with that, let's move on to the message template. So here you can add a template or leave it as it is. For this demo, I'll add a quick welcome message that will be sent once they accept my connection request. You can also personalize your messages by adding fields like their name, company, or any other details from the imported leads. If you upload a CSV, the column headers will automatically be available for personalization, so you can easily tailor your messages for each lead. For example, you can include the lead's name, company, or any other custom field you've added in your CSV file. Also, one more thing, let me show that here. You can select when do you want to send the follow-up messages. Like, do you want to send them 1 day after, 2 days, 3 days after your previous welcome message? That's another level of personalization. Cool. Let's move to the next step. Here, give your campaign a name. I'm going to call it Kapiva, the name of the company, and choose whether you want to run it on autopilot or select specific accounts to send the campaign from. Here you can select the accounts. Let's say if you have multiple accounts, I only have one. If you choose autopilot, the system will automatically allocate requests to the LinkedIn accounts you've connected and optimize the outreach process. It ensures that each account sends requests at the optimal rate to maximize efficiency and minimize any risk of being flagged by LinkedIn. You won't have to manually assign leads to specific accounts. The system will handle all of that for you, making the process much smoother. And that's it. Your campaign is now live. Once your accounts are connected and the campaign is live, you can track it all in a dashboard. Let me move to another account to show you how it will look like once the requests are sent and there is some progress in the campaign. Okay, so let's select a campaign from here and go with this one. So you will see details like total leads imported, accepted requests, replied requests, all of that. You can see overall analytics for the campaign, acceptance rate, reply rate. If you need to make any changes, head to settings where you can edit the campaign details, change the name, the status of the campaign, deactivate it. If you wanted to send requests without personalization, if you've reached your daily limit for personalized invites, you can do that also. And in case you want to change the sequence, let's say you made a typo or you forgot to personalize, then you can do that here. You can change any of the messages that you set earlier. You can change the days and don't forget to save the changes. And as for the leads, you can see them here. These are specifically for a campaign, but you can see them here as well. This is the overall list of leads that you have ever imported. You can click on a lead to get more details, including which profile was the connection request sent from, and you can even visit their LinkedIn profile directly from here. I'm going to go back and show you one more very cool feature, messages. So this messages / inbox is where the actual magic happens. If a lead replies, you'll see their messages here, and you can even reply to them directly from here. In fact, just to add to that, you can even filter the messages by multiple campaigns, the accounts which these were sent from, or if you have a specific name in mind, you can search for that as well. basically what I'm trying to say is you can manage everything from this dashboard, from this application without ever having to open LinkedIn. Now, coming back to the overall dashboard, you can see all your campaigns at a glance. Hover over any campaign to get a quick overview of the activity, accounts, and status. You can also filter the leads by recent activity. And here you see all the LinkedIn accounts connected and their connection status. So yeah, that's it. You've got everything you need to run automated LinkedIn outreach campaigns. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We're always here to help.